In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add HTML code to a Wix website with ChatGPT. Start by making sure you are already logged in to both Wix and ChatGPT. In Wix, open your dashboard and choose the website you want to edit. Once the site is open, click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. From there, go to the specific page where you want the HTML content to appear. Next, switch over to ChatGPT. Paste in a prompt that asks for a self-contained HTML snippet for a styled callout box with a heading and a button. Make sure the prompt also says to include all HTML and CSS in one snippet. Add comments explaining each section, and make it ready to paste into a Wix HTML embed element. Submit the prompt and wait for the code to generate. When ChatGPT gives you the result, copy the full HTML code. Then go back to Wix. In the editor, click Add Elements on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Embed Code section. Then choose Embed HTML. Drag that HTML embed element onto your page and place it where you want the content to go. Once the element is on the page, click Enter Code. When Wix asks how you want to embed the content, choose Code. Paste the HTML code from ChatGPT into the code editor, then click Update to save it. After that, resize the HTML embed element so it fits the content properly. You can also move it into the exact position where you want it to appear on the page. Now click Preview so Wix can load the embedded HTML content. Check that the heading, the button, and the styling all display correctly. If the box looks too small or too large, go back and adjust the size of the embed element until it looks right. When everything looks good, return to the editor and save your changes. Then click Publish in the top right corner to push the update live. After publishing, open the live page and confirm that the embedded HTML content appears correctly for visitors. This is a simple way to use ChatGPT to generate custom HTML and place it directly into a Wix page without building it manually from scratch. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.